Hey developers, so let's learn how we can use letter spacing in Tailwind CSS, and for that we need tracking class. Let's duplicate this text and let's use tracking class and let's use tracking type. If I save this file, if I open it in the browser, as you can see, this is our normal text and this is using tracking type. And let's try using another class. So let's go with wider. If I save this file, you will clearly see the difference. So this is our normal text. This is using tracking tight, and this is using tracking wider or wide. So the difference is, as you can see, the space between the characters is different in this text, is different in this text. So let's try using arbitrary value. So let's use a square bracket here and let's use 20 pixel. If I save this file, if I open it in the browser, so as you can see, this text has a really wide space between these characters. So this is how you can use letter spacing in Tailwind CSS. And let me show you the rest of the classes that you can use for the tracking class. So this is tracking tighter, tracking tight, tracking normal, tracking wide, wider, widest. And you can also use the custom property as I have shown you.